Hey guys, welcome back. If you're just tuning in, we just crossed the Dubai Creek on an Abra traditional boat and we're currently standing on the Bur Dubai side of the creek. Is there a more iconic emblem of Arabia than Dubai's famous Old Souk, also known as the Textile Souk? Since the city's early days, merchants from neighboring countries would sail in to trade and vend their goods here. The bazaar consists of a long line of restored sand-colored stone buildings covered by a wooden roof. At the famous Textile Souk, you will encounter a multitude of markets and stalls offering an endless selection of raw silk, cotton, cashmere, wool, and embroidered fabrics. If you're looking for a specific print or color, you are bound to find it here among the hundreds of reels of fabric. The Old Souk is the go-to place for in-demand tailors and emerging fashion designers. Browse through the Souk's vast array of shops to find your favorite materials, then head to one of the nearby tailors to get it transformed into a dress or suit made to your design in just a couple of days. A variety of ready-made outfits, fresh from the minds and workshops of local designers, are also on display for you to try on. In addition to fabrics and cloths, you'll also find a galaxy of buttons, sequins, stones, lace, and other accessories to help you add a touch of Arabian flair to your entire collection. There has been numerous amazing photo shoots taken here at the Old Souk in Dubai by famous fashion designers and bloggers. The Textile Souk in Dubai is definitely a place you should visit when exploring the city. Not to mention find great deals on garments, slippers, souvenirs, and other goods. If you're wondering on how to get here, it's not complicated. The Textile Souk is located in Bur Dubai side of the Dara Creek. You can travel by metro on the Green Line and get off at Al Ghubaiba metro station or Al Fahidi metro station. If you are coming from the Gold Souk, Spice Souk, or Perfume Souk in Dara, the Textile Souk can be reached by crossing the creek on an abra, which is a traditional wooden boat. The boat ride beats having to take a taxi across the creek and only costs 1 dirham. Not to mention, it's a quick and amazing way to see Dubai without spending much. The Bastakia quarter and Dubai Museum are nearby and well worth a visit while in the area. Dubai's textile market is sure to be an essential part of your itinerary during your time in the city. Although much of today's retail activity in Dubai takes place in its modern shopping malls, the city's souks are still vibrant marketplaces and are an essential part of the Dubai experience. We hope you enjoyed this guided tour with us of the Old Souk. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.